If you've lost access to your Gmail account and can't receive verification codes, there are still ways to recover it. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Go to the Gmail sign-in page. Visit the Gmail sign-in page and enter your email address. Click on Next to proceed to the password entry screen. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the password entry screen, click on the Forgot Password link. This will take you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. You will be presented with various recovery options. If you can't receive verification codes, select Try Another Way until you find an option that works for you, such as answering security questions or using a backup email. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer the security questions you set up when you created your account. Provide accurate answers to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow additional instructions. After successfully answering the security questions or using an alternative recovery method, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password and regain access to your account. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to access your Gmail account again. If you continue to have trouble, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.